Hello, I'm Sid from netboard.com. Last episode of this Drupal tutorial, we installed Drupal on our local Windows machine. This time we are going to install Drupal on our web hotel. The first step is to actually get a web hotel. If you don't have one, I recommend one.com and just click on hosting and get started to purchase your web hotel. I use the smallest package, 17 NOK each month, so $2.17 US each month. But you can choose whichever hosting you want. The important thing is that it has PHP, SFTP, very important. Okay, so after you have purchased a domain and a web hotel, you need to download an FTP client. So my favorite is FlashFXP, but it costs money, so we're going to use a free one, and it's called FileZilla. Okay, so the URL is FileZilla-project.org. So just download the FileZilla client. Store it on my desktop. Okay, so just go ahead and install it. No, don't protect me, we don't want this crap. So FileZilla is now installed, and we can go ahead and connect to our site. So just click on these computers and new site. And the name of mine will be Stram. So it's just a name, you can call it whatever you want. And here at the host you have sftp and then your domain name. And you want to use the sftp protocol. And you use the normal logon type, and your user is the same as your domain name. And then you have a password. And if you don't have your password, you can go to your website, your website host. So mine is one.com. Click on the control panel. And then go down to SSH and FTP. And click on this send button to get a new password. So this is for SFTP and this is for FTP. So the difference is that SFTP is secure, but FTP is not secure. So this is why you want to use SFTP. Okay. So just click OK here now, and then the computers, and then connect to your site. Then you have your site. So now we have a place to upload the Drupal. So let's go to Drupal website now. And download the latest version, zip file. Okay, just save it. And right click and extract. Okay, the files are now extracted to this folder here. So all of these files are files we want to upload to our web server. So let's go to FileZilla again, and then find our folder with Drupal. I put mine on the desktop, under this folder here. So these are the files I want to upload, and I want to have them to this folder. So I just take the files on the left side and drag them over to the right side. And you can see down here that something is happening. It's uploading. Okay, the files are now uploaded, so we can go to our website. So just enter the URL of your domain. And you should come to this install screen. And just pick the standard installation. And select continue anyway. And here you need the database information from your host. So same here as last time. If you have forgotten your password, you can just go to control panel, scroll down to PHP and database, and here your database name, user and host should appear, and you can also change the password by hitting this button here. Okay, your database name is your domain name with underscore .com. Instead of dot you have underscore. Same with username, and you have a special database password. And then if you click advanced options, you can enter your host, which is your domain.com .mysql, and you need to enter the table prefix, which is your domain. So for mine it's Stram. So if you host a website which is called Sun, then it's sun underscore. Okay, click save and continue. Okay, site name, my name is Stram. The email is host@yourdomain.com. And then I have an administrator, my password, and this is my email address. And I want to have USA as default country. And time zone is for me Oslo. Okay, save and continue.
Make sure that you check out codingfora.com today. At codingfora.com you will find free courses in engineering like statistics, programming like Android, Java, C++ and C#, web development like HTML, MySQL and PHP, and of course operating systems like Ubuntu and Windows. At codingfora.com we have a great community of members that are eager to answer any of your coding related or engineering related questions. Codingfora.com also has a great archive of downloads with code, scripts and web designs. And of course all is free. So make sure you visit codingfora.com today.